Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily search the vault in the Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over to view. It's in the top left corner in the app. Now the first option right up top, we have the search vault. And as you guys can see, we can search the vault right here. Let's say for the Amex, which is the card. We can also search for YouTube, and we can also search for, let's say, the notes. So we're gonna type in a note and we're gonna have all the notes, they're gonna pop up. You can also search it here. I always use the view button and then click on search vault right here, or just click the Ctrl+F to actually type in here. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.